Hey guys, G's Eats Morning. Today we're gonna make savory French toast. So what is savory French toast? Instead of a sweet French toast with cinnamon and sugar in there, instead we replace egg, a savory one, instead of a sweet tooth, cinnamon and sugar in it. So this is what the results are, and we are going to teach you on how to make this savory French toast. Let's go, let's do it. First step, we're gonna crack a few eggs. Milk, but not too much. That's some pepper, crush, and a pinch of salt. And whisk it with a fork or a whisker. That should be good. Set your stove to a medium heat and we'll put some oil. Not too much. This is canola oil. That should be good. And just do this all around. Try to get every oil. Once your pan is hot enough, we're gonna grab us a slice of bread and we're gonna put it into the savory French toast batter and try to get everything in here, every side, and then we're gonna put it straight into the pan. Oh my god, just like that. Flip it after a few minutes. Place it on the plate, but if you do have more, repeat the same process. Just done making some savory French toast. I know some of them were burnt and some aren't. And this is the results. Kind of similar to a regular French toast, but the taste is different. So we're gonna give it a taste. So good to put with ketchup, but for me, I'm not gonna put it this time. What's good is taste. It's kind of a scrambled egg on the toast. Just like, it's like bread coated with eggs in there. And I put some seasoning in it. I don't think I taste the seasoning like salt and pepper in here. It's just an eggy toast. Scrambled egg texture here. But not bad if you're not a sweet person. Go give this a try if you're not a sweet person. Like sweet tooth person, like who's not into sweets but like savory food. This is for you. You gotta go with milk too.
Mom, I said your ramen's ready.
But this is not bad at all. But you would want to put more seasoning if you want to have a tasty savory French toast. Like put more salt and pepper and stuff. I know it's a little bit burnt, but that's okay. I don't taste the burnt. This is my second time making this. So this is like a trial and error and stuff. But anyway guys, we're gonna end off the video. So if you guys enjoyed on how to make this nice savory French toast, simple. Leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment for any suggestions for more videos and content. And guys, see you guys next video. Bye.